Let me tell you something powerful. Most moms think they need to create a course when starting an online business. They think they need to build a website, design products. You can, but that takes time. Months, sometimes years. That's why one of the most transformational things I have to offer is a program that's 100% profitable digital products with master resale rights. You don't create the product. You don't build it from scratch. You don't spend months figuring it out. You simply plug it into something that already works and you earn every cent you make. This program shows you what the products are, how to sell them ethically, how to earn instantly, and how to reinvest into your business and how to grow your income constantly. So for moms who need momentum fast, this is the breakthrough. A proven step-by-step program and an automated sales process. So if you want to learn how 100% profit works, reply profit and let's get you started.